Greetings, my sister. Another beautiful day.
Yeah, that's your friend.
Yes, my brother. Greetings are you. Welcome, my sister. Welcome, my sister.
Yeah.
You gonna give my sister a good price?
I'll give your sister a good price.
No, the great price, right? Right, Camille?
Yeah, good price. And you make the name like respect. Love names.
Look at all of the contenders. Dun, 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 dun. Welcome to Bomani Shop. Don't stop shop until you break the ATM machine. Yes, and we have two of our lovely sisters here. They're both competing, talking about who's gonna outshop each other. I love it. Woo! Well, keep on shopping. We don't want you to drop, but keep on shopping. Yes, my sister about to break out them Benjamins. Yes, excellent. CD Benjamins. So you're looking forward to racking up on all this wonderful kente cloth?
Of course.
Yes. Look at all the excellent, wonderful contenders. I personally think Monica is gonna blow everybody out the bank.
Blow guap.
This is the famous building. Alright, family, let me get you in front of the building. It's been this beautiful years.
This is one of my favorite places.
How many times have you been here? It's too many times to count, right?
I've been here 5 times, 4 times with you, but I met this brother on the first journey, Enoch, and he Facebook friended me, so I'm glad to know and see him. I'm excited to be back again. Something special about this place in the Ashanti region.
Absolutely.
And Kente and all
And
that.
family, we are gonna. Where's Brother Corbin now?
Nice, I have to.
Right.
This is a brother's man. You know. After they talk about it. I'm taking with me. A good price. It gotta be good. If I take a good price, I'll give you. Are you gonna give it to me? Good price. Yeah, come inside. The best price.
This is it, family.
Yeah, good price. I'm only for you.
Which one do you like?
This is it right here. This is the first site. All right, the shopping starts. Contenders, and your mark, set, go. They're gonna be rolling. They're gonna be rolling. We got Mr. Ross Marvin here.
Yes, side. Just to set up a camera, you know.
Ready for bust some shots and watch all the people just get into the shopping program. And we have one of our former champions.
Bombani, how are you?
I'm doing well. We have Miss Peppy here, one of our former shopping champions. 2011, July 2011, she broke the bank.
I know. I came here, I broke the bank. You know, I bought a nice piece of kente and I used it as a throw in my living room. Then I converted it into a nice outfit for my birthday party I had recently. This is great. I'm not going to spend any money today because I spent it on
Absolutely.
So Nana, so I should wait for you.
All the beautiful smiles and beautiful faces. We love it, family. Love it.